Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and here you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. And now your Google account should be removed, so let's open Google Play Store and click Sign in. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now let's click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And then scroll down and click Accept. And as you can see, now my account is recovered and parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.